Hey guys, Mynock here with Mynock's Den, giving you a status update on the upcoming Mynock's Den Acolyte armor kit that will be offered through a partnership with Vader's Vault. And this is it. The armor set will be professionally vacuum formed from high quality ABS plastic, which is what you see here. And it will be supplemented with a few resin cast and 3D printed pieces for added detail. Now, I know everybody wants to know the pricing and availability information. And unfortunately, I don't have that just yet. I'll be making posts about that in the coming weeks, so be sure to check back frequently. Just gonna zoom in on some of these pieces just so you guys have an idea of the level of detail and the quality that we're going for here. Over the next few weeks, I'll be compiling a set of videos explaining how to put this thing together. So as soon as I have those videos uploaded, I'll be making posts as well. Here's an example of what a semi-completed bracer assembly looks like. And here's a hand plate. And there you go. Thanks for watching, guys, and more info to come.